A casino can go a whole night losing money at every single table. And the owner sleeps like a baby because he's not betting on the cards, he's not betting on the wheel, he's betting on something that has never lost once in the history of mathematics. And by the end of this drawing, you'll see it, and you'll see why the odds are honestly the least interesting part. Easy. Breathe. Watch this. Monte Carlo. August 18th, 1913. The roulette wheel starts doing something impossible. Black. Black again. Black. 5 in a row. 10. The table starts to fill. Word spreads through the casino like smoke. Because everybody knows red is due now, right? The wheel has to balance itself out. 15 blacks. The gamblers aren't betting anymore. They're investing. Doubling, tripling, mortgaging the night on red. It has to come. Black came up 26 times in a row. By spin 15, people were betting fortunes. By spin 26, millions of francs had crossed the table into the casino's vault. The wheel wasn't broken. Nobody cheated. Every single spin was a clean 50-50. Well, almost 50-50. And hold that almost, because it's the whole video. Here's what that night teaches. And it's not what you think. The players lost because they believed the wheel had a memory. It doesn't. But the casino didn't win because it was lucky. 26 blacks was a once in 60 million freak. And the house would have made money that night even if the wheel had behaved. Because the house had something better than luck. The house had the edge. And the edge is embarrassingly small. Look at the roulette wheel. 36 numbers, red and black. You bet red, you win on red. Feels like a coin flip. But there, at the top, a green 0, and on American wheels, a second green, double 0. 2 slots out of 38 that belong to nobody, except the house. That's it. That's the entire trick. It works out to 5.26%. On blackjack played well, the edge drops under 1%. 1%. So how does a business empire, towers, fountains, private jets, run on 1 to 5%? Volume. The edge isn't a bet, it's a tax on every bet. One spin, anything can happen. That's why the first-time player wins sometimes, and that win is the most expensive thing the casino ever gives away. But the math has a law, the law of large numbers. The more you play, the closer reality grinds toward the average. One bet is a coin flip. 10,000 bets is a spreadsheet. The casino isn't playing against you. It's playing against everyone forever. And at that scale, 5% isn't a chance. It's a certainty with paperwork, which means the casino needs exactly one thing from you, not your luck, not even your money. That follows on its own. It needs your time. More spins, more hands, more minutes on the machine. And now, look around the building, because once you know time is the product, the whole place confesses. No clocks on the walls, no windows to show the sun going down. You buy chips because chips don't feel like money. A $100 bill hurts to push across a table. A clay disc is a game piece. The floor is a maze. Researchers have mapped this. Winding paths, machines around every turn, no straight line to the exit. Free drinks arrive at your elbow. Generosity that keeps you seated and softens your judgment at the same time. Slot machines celebrate with lights and music when you win. And near misses are engineered to feel like almost wins. So close, one more spin. Every detail you can see was designed by someone whose job description is one sentence. More minutes. Turn the canvas. You thought the casino beats you with odds. Look at the drawing again. The odds are tiny, almost fair. What the building does, every inch of it, is stretch your time on the almost fair odds until the grind finishes the job. The wheel takes 5%, the building takes your evening. Together they never lose. It has a name, the house machine. The casino doesn't beat you, it outlasts you. One bet is luck. 1,000 bets is arithmetic. And nobody's cheating. That's the eerie part. The night in Monte Carlo was legal. The green 0 is printed right there on the wheel for anyone to read. The maze, the chips, the free drinks, all public, all documented, all working. Evil gets noticed. Design just runs quietly, one comped cocktail at a time. I'm not here to tell you to gamble or not to gamble. That's yours. Just one look to take with you. Next time you're near a casino floor or watching one in a movie, look for a clock. Look for a window. You won't find either. And once you notice what's missing, you'll see the machine everywhere it hides. In apps with endless scroll, in games with one more round. The casino just built it first, and built it honest enough to print the edge on the wheel. That pull you feel to stay for one more hand, it was never a character flaw. It was architecture. See the machine. Don't be the fuel. We draw one machine a week. The next one is already on the board.